The joys of having one screen. Come on. There you go. There's an error. Blah blah blah. 7 minutes stopped. Am I no longer recording? I am still recording. 5. So guys, please bear with. Alright, I think we're live. Okay, cool. So, where we got to earlier was we made this as it stands, which is nearly completed all the tasks that we needed to do. Excuse me. In the example they wanted us to do like a technical page, so we've done it for Nintendo. I plugged it a little bit, but we're just going to clean it up a little bit, make it a little bit more professional, and then we're going to go from there. So, whoop, one moment, guys. Sorry about that, guys. I have returned. I think a cat knocked over something downstairs. We thought we was all going off. Apologies. Right. So what we're going to do is, let's just make sure that this is all correct and working and such. Looks all good. That's all cool. Can I watch it now? Ooh. So how do we get comments? Oh, we don't need it. We've got it. It's there. No, that's stats. There it is. Cool. Right. Excuse me. So, what we're looking to do is we're going to move these boys. We're going to give them a little bit more space in between each line, which we worked out above, which was... I didn't actually do it, did I? Text align, text align, text decoration. Line height, I think is called. There he is. So we're actually going to change that to 2.5. What does that look like? Oh, far too big, far too big. So 1.5, leave it at that. And then what we might do is give this a little bit more. Padding left on the... Right, let's just stop mumbling. That's a good start. There we go. Right. So on that one then we take away list. Oh no, list works now, doesn't it? Yeah. We got it working in the end, which is cool. Padding left. Cool. And then we want to do hashtag. All we're going to do is get rid of list. I'm going to do that down here. Main doc, li, brackets, and then we want to do text align, center. See what that looks like. I mean, it works. Not really. How do we make it so there's a space in between each line? As in like a... Ah, that don't work at all. That's crap. That is rubbish. Right, get rid of that. Text to line. Left. See what that does. I mean, it makes it a little bit better. But now we need to do space in between each one. So if we put line dash height, and then again put 1.5. Oh no, I'm being a knob. We don't, yeah, I read it wrong anyway, but we just need a bit of padding, don't we? Padding of 2 pixels. Bit more. I put padding in with wrong, so I wonder it didn't work. 2 pixels. That's a bit better, but we want it a little bit more than that. So we don't want it on each. We only want to do it between the lines. So between each bullet point. You know what? Let's just get rid of that a minute. What we can do, we can tidy it up a little bit in a minute. Let's just see what else we need to do on the actual work. I'm sure we're going to change it again. Right, main section, done that, done that, done that. I can see a nav element, done that. Got a header, done that. Done all them, done all them, done all that. Done that. Go to the thing. My TechHue document page should use at least one media query. Yeah, by doing fixed, navbar is always on this left side. One media query. We're going to have a quick look at what they did, because I can't remember how to do them. At media. There's a few of these I think they've done. Right, we're going to nick their one, just so that we've got it. How's he done this? It's got to be right at the bottom, is it? Yes. There. That's proper. Please excusez-moi. Cool. Can't remember how to do it. The CSS media rule, here we go. Change the background color of the body element to light blue when the browser is 600 pixels or less. Media only screen and max width 600 body. Right, so at media, got that. It does when certain things happen, then you do it. Only screen and when it's max width 600 pixels. The media rule is used to make queries, blah 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 blah. Width and blah blah blah. Use da. So why wouldn't you click all? Does any... okay, we can leave that one for now, but on this. So that's why they're using media screen. So we're going to nick this one. We're actually going to use that actual example. So on that, you do it in the CSS, so there. Cool. Now, while I was off, I took the liberty. I think we've done it. So if I minimize this and go on here, nope, there. We're going to go on a new pen. Hopefully, there we go. We're going to copy the top bit of this. Where is it? Is it the bottom now? No. It's a good start. Is it the top of here? Is it not that one? No. Can't remember how to do it. That's it there. No, no it's not. Where the hell is this? I need to copy that. Okay, we're gonna do it different. So if we delete that, what happens? How do you run? Should get rid of all of it. It did. Ah, no, it didn't. Which means where is that then? Where does he live? Oh, wherever. Right, so we're going to get rid of that one in a minute. Leave, we ain't done nothing to it. That's still obviously... Huh? Run that. Should now be 0. Oops. How can there be 2? Oh, right, okay. Right, so if we now put our HTML and our bits in here, we should have an answer. So go on that, Control and C, Control and V. Go on that, Control and C, Control and V. Right, now the bit that we need to double check is going to be the top to make sure that that all matches up. It should be alright. We go and run. No, we've got a problem on this one. What is it? It's just in the body. What the hell are you talking about? What if we put that in HTML in there? Probably going to be this lot. Nah, body. Not too sure what the hell. Oh, well, let's run the test and see what happens. 11 out of 16. What we've got missing? Content. Each section of the main should have an ID comprised of the header. Right. Each section element of the main section, which is this. Each section element section should also have an ID comprised of the header inner text contained within it. Right, it should also have an ID comprised of the header inner text contained within it. Yeah. ID. JavaScript and Java. Yeah, I mean all of them make sense. The first element within each main section should be a header element which contains the text that describes the topic of that selection. So the header should no longer be a H2. Okay. So if we take that and put it inside there. Does that not work? Does that work? Where's my... this one? So that didn't work. So if we just take away the H2s. Nope, being a complete muppet. Take away the introduction, the H2, sorry. Like so. And take away that. This is going to change the all my... So we want that to go there, that lot there to come out, and it to be there. Cross that out. I think that's what it means. So the section's still got its one. Yeah, I think that's what we're going to do. I mean, this one ain't even got a closed header, so fuck knows what I was doing there. Oh my good god, that's annoying. Header, that's fine. I didn't even put a H2 in this one. Close the header. Get rid of that header. Take the consoles. From there. Close the header. Like that. And then what we'll do is we'll swap the H2 for header. And then that should change all of that back to what I had. So header console's done. Last one, summary. Close that. Get rid of that. Like that. Save. Don't want to do that yet. Isn't it? Oh, come on. 1 second, guys. Hello. I have returned again. It's like, no one talks to me normally. The minute I get onto doing one of these, everyone wants to ring me. Right. Just make sure everything's still going well. Looks to be good. Clever Butcher's on here. Oh look, there's me. Right, cool. Sweet. So what we're going to do now is we are going to amend the now new headers, main doc header. So this one here is now going to become text align in center, font weight is bold, and font size, I think font size is one, call it 20 pixels. Yeah, that worked. Oh, summary's got 2. Why's that? Summary, because I didn't take it out because I'm clever. Sweet. Like that. Cool. Now, if we then quickly now add our one of this to that, and then that to that, rerun it. Well, it's quite a big, smaller. Better. That one worked. Sweet. Right. Additionally, the navbar should contain link A elements with the class of navlink. I don't think I put a navlink. Actually, I did not. So I didn't give any of these a class. So that's easily done. Navlink. 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 Diddly navlink, and then navlink. Save that. Do all of that again. Copy that into all of that. Run it. Close that. As soon as it wants to reload. Run. There you go. 15 of 16 now. Look at that. Layout. On regular sized devices, the element should be shown on the left half of the screen. It should always be visible to the user and should remain stationary. You may need to enlarge the viewpoint to ensure this doesn't score the page content. Right, ID navbar. So if we go in style, navbar, position fixed. See, to me, that means that it is always going to be on the left. So if we just open this up, get rid of that. I mean, it's on the left. It's still on the left. It goes blue because we've got the media query, but it's still on the left. I'm not sure what the crack is with this one. On a regular sized device, the element with E direction. Right, so if we just start changing things on the navbar, which is what? Well, this is where I get annoyed now. Look. So, I don't know how I got that. Media query, all right. Because, ignore the thing in the background, it's the missus. Well, she's not that, obviously. Because that's a man. Right, go on that one a minute. See what they've done for this editor view. So ID of navbar. Navbar. They put the right, so our one. I think we copied it. Position is fixed, left. Min width, max width, height. Left top. Solid. Header. Margin, don't matter about that. Text align shouldn't matter. Font size shouldn't matter. Font weight don't matter. Text align and margin shouldn't matter. Could it be that? The overflow? Navbar list. Didn't have a list, so we took it out completely. Didn't need it. I don't understand this question. Let's just copy all that a minute. I'm sure someone's had this problem before. There you go. Right, we've done that. No, it's not fixed. Add the following code. We've done that. If I bit it wrong. Position. Make sure header in navbar is not centered. Why? If that's it, that's stupid. The header there, we can delete. That's bollocks. A bit aggressive, sorry, but I don't get it. Why did it work? I mean, it's happy days because we've now got all the tests. Hurrah! But not sure about that. Oh well, let's submit it. Which is this one. So we now need our. Oops. Give it that. Is this on mine? I don't think it is it? It's not. So I need to open up a new page. Go on to the thing that I was initially going to be doing. Your new pen. Copy all of that. Copy all of that. Put all of that in there as well. I'm not sure what that is, but that'll do. Save it. And now we can nick that and put him in there. 80%. Oh, because I'm now on responsive design layouts. Build a personal portfolio web page. So we're actually going to leave it there. I think I'm going to come back to this one probably on Saturday. Yeah, we're going to touch on that on Saturday. Okay, thank you for watching, and I will be back. That's frustrating me. That doesn't make any sense.